Hi everyone, welcome back to the another video presentation. In this of the video presentation, I would like to explain about the Dmart script. This is registered with the name Avenue Supermarket, daily chart pattern analysis as well as the price and volume analysis on the daily chart pattern. On the last day of the trading, 25th January 2018, the script has formed the bullish harami candlestick pattern was formed by the Avenue Supermarket. Before entering into this of the video presentation, I would request everyone to go through the disclaimer. This content is designed simply for informational and educational purpose, not recommendations or tips offered to any of the person, group or individual. Before taking any position, please consult your financial advisor or do your own individual research. We don't accept any kind of the profit and loss by using of this video presentation. This video presentation has done based on the interest of the video maker. Now let us enter into the main discussion part of the video, which is the Dmart daily script. If you observe over here, this is a bullish harami candlestick pattern. The bullish harami candlestick pattern requires the two candlesticks. What exactly the bullish harami candlesticks is a chart pattern in which a large candlestick is formed by a very small candlestick which body is located in the vertical range of the larger body. The bullish harami is a downward or bearish candlesticks engulf a small bullish candlesticks green. Here I have taken a blue, given a sign of the reversal of the downtrend. Since the bullish harami indicates the bearish trend may be reversing, it may be the good time to enter into a long of the position. So this one is the red candlesticks and formed over here with the immediately bull of the candlestick. In the next of the presentation slide, I would like to explain about the support and the resistance level of this or the particular script. The support and the resistance levels are undoubtedly two of the mostly highly discussed attributes of the technical analysis, and they are very oftenly used in this or the context. This is a complex by those who are just learning to trade. This video will attempt to clarify the complexities surrounding the concept by focusing on the basis of what need to be focused and what need to be known. You will learn in this or the presentation that refers to the price levels on the script charts that tend to act as the barriers for preventing the price of an assets for getting the pushing in the certain direction. The best way to identify the target is to identify the support and the resistance level. The support and the resistance levels are the specific price on which the chart which are expected to attract the maximum amount of either the buying or the selling. The support price is the price at which one can expect more buyers than sellers. Likewise, the resistance price is the price at which one can expect more sellers than buyers. So this is about the support and the resistance level. If you observe over here, please observe the cursor movement over here. This is the bullish harami candlesticks. So at the last closing price is around the 1159.30 and the price is around the is facing 1161 is the one of the resistance line. Here once the price touches it moved up but it could not able to sustain. So once this of the price level 1161 is moved at this of the price level, next the price level would be around the 1199, around the 38 rupees of the price range we can expect. So once it moved in the upward direction, that is around the 1202.20, this is the another level. Once this is crossed 1253. Over here, if you observe over here, I have level 1, 2, 3 and 4 I have considered. If you observe over here, the 1280 is the strong resistance where the twice when the price touches the 1280 of the level, it started falling. So I am considering this 1280 zone and the 1297 as the resistance line, and below this the support levels are around the 1089 is the strong, or you can also put as an 1090 as a strong support. If you observe over here, whenever the price touches at this of the levels, it started bouncing. So I'm considering this as an support zone, you may consider as a buyer's zone. This is the resistance line. So whenever the price touches, I always advise need to be careful. If anyone is taking the long position at this or the price levels or wanted to take, so they need to be some give some kind of attention over this or the price levels. So I hope if the price slips below the 1089, I would suggest them to wait till the 1088 of the levels to enter, whoever wants to enter newly or taking a fresh new of the position. So these are the support and the resistance level. So I have captured the last 1 month of the price action over this level. The almost move, if you just observe the 1 month, the price has opened around the 1150 and reached at the 1250 of the level, and again it touches the same of the level 1150, and it trying to bounce from this of the levels. So likewise, the last, if you observe over here, the 23 point over here, the max. So from December 28 to last day of the trading, I have captured this of the price action movement. So moving on to the next of the slide, here I have, for the reference purpose, I have captured this. This is the price, the last of the trading session. So anyone wants to, you can get this or the information on nscindia.com. So this is the symbol of Avenue Supermarket in exchange as a Dmart. This is an ISIN, status is listed, and the symbol of the P by E is a profit earning is 115.35. Sectoral index P is 33.14, and the sectoral index is Nifty 500. So if you observe over this, for general the reference purpose, I have captured this of the slide. Anyone wants, so they can pass over this video and they can watch these of the levels. Now moving on to this is the complete the price action I have captured from the 11th January 2018 to the 25th January 2018. Here you can observe the previous close price, opening price, high, low, last price, closing price, and this one is the traded volume of the particular day in terms of the turnover, number of the trades, and delivery quantity in terms of the percentage. Now moving on to the next is the very important of this is the Q3 presentation 2017 Q3. The Avenue Supermarket has reported the financial result for the period of the ended December 31st, 2017. The company has reported net sales of around the 4,108.47 crores during the period ended December 31st, 2017 as compared to the 3,347.85 crores during the period ended December 31st, 2016. The company has posted net profit of 251.76 crores for the period ended December 31st, 2017 as against 151.87 crores for the period ended December 31st, 2016. The company has reported EPS, which is an important and need to the focus that of the level is EPS, earning per share of rupees 3.97 for the period ended December 31st, 2017. The company has reported net sales of 11,258.96 crores during the 9th period ended December 31st, 2017. The company has posted the profit of 617.56 crores for the 9th period ended December 31st, 2017. The company has reported EPS 9.75 for the 9 months period ended December 31st, 2017. The script of the Avenue Supermarket Limited was traded as compared with the previous close is around the 1155. The total number of the scripts traded during the day was 1,55,108. So this is about the Avenue Super quarterly results. So Avenue Dmart parent Avenue Supermarket Q3 profit jumps 65.8% on improved gross margin. Avenue Supermarket profit stood at 251.76 crores on a standalone basis for Q3 compared to the 151.87 crores in the year ago. Avenue Supermarket, which runs the Dmart supermarket chain, on Friday posted 61.77% jump in the net profit on the account of overall increase in the margin mixed and improved operating cost. Its net profit stood at 251.76 crores on a stand-alone basis for the quarter ended 31st December compared to the 151.87 in the corresponding quarter a year ago. Dmart total income in the quarter under review stood at 4,108.47 crores. The company has seen 65.8% jump in the net profit due to gross margin increased and improved operating cost, which is a good. And the growth in this December quarter appears to be the lower as compared to the previous year quarter because of the demonetization base effect. Growth in the December 2016 was significantly higher than the growth financial 16-17, the company said in the filing. Total revenue for the 9 ended is 11,201 crores compared to the 8,077 crores in the same period last year. It is the net profit between the April and December grew by 60% in terms of the rupees 618 crores as compared to 386 for the same period last year. On Friday, the Avenue Supermarket Board approved the acquisition of 50.79 paid of the share capital of Avenue E-Commerce, an associate of the post-acquisition. Avenue E-Commerce shall become a whole subsidiary of Avenue Supermarket, the company said. So this is the video presentation about Dmart script. So thank you very much for watching this of the video presentation. People who ever wants to know any of the particular script, I would suggest them to please comment on the below in the comment box so that I will capture presentation, or if not possible I try to reply to your comment. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good and safe trading.